Yan po ang sinubukan ni Mikel Daes.
Kasama ko ngayon, Sir Justin.
Hello,
Okay,
welcome, welcome.
Siya yung mental assassin dito sa Wizards din. Okay,
Enjoy
what
the
is
food.
mentalism? Para sa mga tao dyan, what is?
Basically, mentalism is I perform the power of the mind. Pinapakita ko sa mga tao kung gaano kalakas yung isipan natin. In a performance where I usually pick audience members, so I'm going to try to read their minds, play games with them. So itong gagawin natin, maglalago lang tayo ng game. I want you to think of a word. It could be any word at all. English or Tagalog word. Tapos huhulaan ko yun, Pinoy Henyo style.
Okay.
Ready ka na?
Yep.
Okay. Tao ba to?
Yes.
Yes. Ako mo dito nakikita, no? Kasi ano ka eh, parang enthusiastic ka.
No.
Common name to ng isang tao, yes? Think of
Common
the
name,
first
common.
letter, don't say it out loud. Iniiba niya yung isip. Ano papagalaw ng body language natin? Ang nagpapagalaw ng body language natin is our subconscious mind. So,
Okay.
I know, kahit pinipigilan mo, I know for a fact that you're thinking of the letter, kanina akala ko R, pero I'll go with the letter T.
okay, go.
Tama?
Tama.
Loud and clear, what is your word?
Yeah, proud siya. Technician.
Technician, pakita mo sa kanila.
Wow! Galing. Okay,
Maraming
good
salamat,
job.